When you fall, you go stand up again. You try him again, again and again and again. Cause you know easy, yeah. Oh. Now you come today, another man tomorrow. Everybody getting nowhere to follow. Try, but you know easy, yeah. I say no be lie, yeah. No be everybody. Go sleep for night to wake up, see the light, yeah. I say, you know easy, yeah. Oh. See the picture is right here. Get him in the top like they. So make una seriously. Wanna business.
This is another simple recipe for making snacks from whole wheat flour, meal, commonly used for making swallows. Oil the sandwich maker, to prevent the cakes from sticking tightly to the surface when removing them. To make the batter, add 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil. A cup of whole wheat flour, or thereabouts. A heaped tablespoonful of sugar. A pinch of salt to taste. A flat teaspoonful of baking powder was used for leavening in this recipe. A heaped tablespoonful of powdered milk. Then, the ingredients were mixed together. A well was created in the center and water was added to fill and slightly overflow it. The mixture was mixed thoroughly to a consistency somewhere between a thick batter and a wet sticky dough, although a thinner batter would also work, if you prefer that. Close the sandwich maker and preheat it. Add a tablespoonful of the batter to each of the 4 compartments, then close to heat for about 3 minutes before opening to flip the cakes to further brown the other side for an additional 3 minutes. Remove the baked cakes and repeat the process until you've exhausted all the batter. To test the chewiness of these pancakes and show you the internal crumb structure, I took a bite. Then I couldn't stop myself from continuing eating these delicious snacks until there were just 3 left to show.
Thanks for watching, and always remember that develop it once,